Do you want more clients, better photos, and to create a thriving photography business? This 14-part series will teach you everything you need to know about getting up and running in the photography field. I'm Dave Koch, and I want to talk to you about starting a photography business. Is it fun and exciting, or even glamorous? Not at all. But if you're serious about turning photography into a sustainable, thriving business, it's probably the most important video series you could watch. So, are you thinking about becoming a real estate photographer? Or any other sort of professional photography? Honestly, it really doesn't matter. Let's look over some stats. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics says that 20% of all businesses fail in the first year, and 50% will fail by year 5. How does that sound? Not very encouraging. But wait, it gets worse. If you're a photographer, according to Rangefinder Online, 60% of all photography businesses fail in the first year. And by the end of the second, another 25 will fade away. That means you have a 1 in 7 chance of creating a successful photography business. So you have to ask yourself, are you feeling lucky? And that is the essence of what this video series is about. I'll show you how to create and build a successful business, and I'll show you why most photography businesses fail. Hint, a photography business is not just about photography. So I'm going to teach you how to get clients and keep them. I'm going to show you pricing strategies that actually work. We'll talk about marketing strategies to make you stand out. We'll talk about editing hacks that save you time and increase your productivity. And we'll talk about scaling your business so you don't have to work harder. If this interests you, you have 2 choices to watch the series. One, you can watch the series for free on YouTube. These episodes start dropping April 4th, and they are slightly edited versions of the full episodes. Those episodes are available for purchase for $39.95, and there's a link below to get those. They also come with a 60-page PDF to help you along as you build and grow your business. So if you want to start a photography business, give it a fighting chance. Don't just jump into it. Do some research, do the legwork, and make it work. That's what we're here for, and we're here to help. May your next shoot be your best shoot.